Friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I currently upload every Tuesday, Thursday with Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Oh my gosh, with bonus uploads in between. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell. You can't just subscribe now, you have to hit the bell next to the subscribe button so YouTube knows you want to be notified of all videos. Give this a thumbs up. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video. I don't think I've ever done anything like this before. I think last year on my Instagram, I did kind of like a, do you wanna see my 6 Christmas trees? Yes, that is right, friends. I live in a 2-bedroom apartment, and last Christmas I had 6 Christmas trees. I am a Christmas decor fiend, but I have toned it back. And I think that's part of the reason I wanted to do this video. I'll be moving from this apartment that I live in. And basically, I'm getting rid of 90% of this stuff. Like 90% of my Christmas decor, I'll be getting rid of. I will either donate it or try to sell it, although I don't know who would buy it. But I'm gonna either, if it doesn't sell, which I don't think any of it would, I'm gonna donate it. I'm just over this stuff. I've had it for a long time, so I'm kind of doing this as like a video diary for myself to see what my single girl apartment looked like before I moved. So I think that's why I wanted to film it. I'm gonna be moving. This is my last holiday season in this apartment. I'll be getting rid of all this stuff. It's kind of tacky-licious, kind of not. I don't know. I had the new bae come over and he's like, that white tree is very tacky. He is very brutally honest. So most of this stuff is pretty affordable. I just wanted to show you guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. So last year I had 6 Christmas trees. This year I only have 3. I did not get a real Christmas tree. All the trees I'm going to show you are fake. I always, my preference is real trees. I know that I'm the minority. I didn't realize that until I did a poll on Instagram, and I think like 90% of people said they prefer fake Christmas trees. I love real Christmas trees. I just don't feel like dealing with it because, again, I'm moving soon. So let's just jump into it. Let me just show you my dining room where I film and the only part of my house I really decorated. Okay, so I've moved this is like my dining room table. I've moved it back to show you from afar. I'll also insert some footage of this stuff at night because I'm currently filming this in the daytime, so I feel like it looks a lot better at night. Let's see, if I turn my light off, does it look better? Oh yeah, let's do it with the lights off, but I'll also show you some of it at night. So this tree here, I purchased from Pier 1. Tip from me to you, friends. Pier 1, if you have one near you, buy all of your Christmas stuff you want after Christmas. So this tree, brand new, it's brand new, but before Christmas, I think this tree was like $70, and it also comes with the stand, and it has the lights and everything. All you do is put it together and then plug it in. It came with the pine cones. So I think before Christmas it was like $70 or $100. I bought it the day after Christmas and it was $25. So fun fact, friends, get some good quality decorations from Pier 1. These are just my Christmas wrappings and things because I've been wrapping gifts, candy canes, because I brought them out because I thought I was going to buy a real Christmas tree and I haven't. And then my Himalayan sea salt lamp that is usually up here, but it's just on the floor now because of Christmas. But I love this tree. This is the one thing, remember I said I'm getting rid of 90% of things. Oh, hold on. Sorry, phone call from mom. Yeah, this is the one tree I'm keeping. I love this tree. I think it's just a simple, classy look, unlike the rest of my tacky-licious stuff. So this dresser, a lot of you asked me, oh, you can see I always forget. Hello, it's mirrored. You guys can see. This dresser I got from Z Gallery. I bought it secondhand from their outlet because, so their outlet usually, well, they basically take things that are returned. So it had this when I bought it. I just strategically put a really cute candle over it because this dresser, brand new from their store, I think is like $2 grand, and I paid $500 for it because of that flaw. So that's where this dresser is from. I've had it for years. I'm kind of over the mirrored furniture look, but I love this dresser. It's very sturdy, and I do like the way it looks in the back of my videos. So these little light up boxes I purchased from Ross about 4 years ago. These are part of some of the items I will be donating. I do like it a lot. I'm just kind of over it. I put it out every single Christmas. I don't know. What do you guys think? Maybe I could just put it in a different location at my new house and not make it like part of my main filming backdrop because I love it. I love glitter. I know some people don't. I love everything glitter. I love glitter on my eyes, glitter on my body, glitter on my decor. Okay, I love glitter. So I don't know. I'm kind of bored with them, but I love them. So they came with the lights and everything. I have everything like plugged in, and then it goes to the wall over there. Now this garland, another thing I got the day after Christmas from Pier 1. It's very long. I don't even know if I can show you how long it is. It's very long. So I just thought it looked really nice on the mirrored dresser. And it didn't come with lights, so the lights are actually separate, and I just laid it on top. And I love it. It's like shimmery gold with ornaments, ribbon. I mean, this is really nice. I think from Pier 1 before Christmas, I'm pretty sure that was like $40. After Christmas, I got it for $5. I'm telling you, friends, buy your decorations after Christmas. These are some lovely roses that Bae got me. Come on, camera, focus. They're my favorite color. They don't really fit here, but they just make me happy. And I was saying to Instagram, it's like, I feel like it looks nice as a backdrop for my nails. Does anybody else have crooked fingers? How random, right? Like my fingers are so crooked. Anyways. Okay, so the box over there came as a set with this one. I don't know. They're so cute, guys. I don't know if I want to get rid of it. I like it. It's tacky kind of, because it's like, this is almost like yarn. I don't know. It doesn't feel very nice, but it just looks nice from afar, and especially at night. I will have shown you clips at night. It looks really pretty. So here's the tree that I cannot wait to get rid of. This thing looks horrendous in the daytime. I'll show you clips of it at night. I got it from a party store near my house. It was like 2 days after Christmas. I think before Christmas they were charging $70 for this. After Christmas I got it for $10. And it didn't used to look like this 4 years ago. So I bought it, well, it was 3 years ago, 3 Christmases ago. I think because of storing it, it just doesn't look as nice. It doesn't look as full. I honestly, you guys, only have it because I film and I think it looks nice. And then I usually put on, by the way, don't judge my wrapping. I did a whole video, I think 2 Christmases ago, on how to not wrap your gifts. I usually put my Christmas presents under my real tree, but since I'm not getting one, I just put them here. This one, I can't wait to have it go. I might honestly get rid of it before Christmas. I can't stand it. I really don't. That's why when Bae came over, I was like, what do you think of that tree? He's like, what do you think of it? I don't know. I do love white trees. My dream would be to get a real Christmas tree flocked, but from what everyone has told me, it is extremely messy, but I do want to do it just 1 year. I want a real tree flocked. I love white Christmas trees. Fake white Christmas trees aren't my favorite, but again, for filming, it works. For right now, looking at it, it looks like an atrocious mess. And then I have very high ceilings. Yes, I have popcorn ceilings in this apartment. And also, I had a leak. The roof, this building is very old, so yeah. But the ceilings, I don't know if you can tell, are very, very tall in this apartment. I thought they were like 15 feet, but I think my ex actually measured and was able to tell that they're 10 feet. So I need to fix that. I have these up year round. They're just icicle lights. At night, it just looks really nice with the tall ceilings. I need to extend it that way. But the problem is any strand you get, they're this long. So I can't find any that, like, it's just going to be so long and then hanging down. And plus I'm about to move. So actually, if I'm being 100% honest with you, I ain't extending nothing. It's just going to stay like that. But let's move on to the entryway. Now, this is not basically, it is a table right next to my door. This looks so much better at night. I'll insert clips of it at night. It's a really little cheap thing I got at CVS after Christmas. I think it was like $3. I don't honestly like the way it looks in the daytime. It looks really cheap and not that cute. But at night, it creates these prisms on the back wall there. Last Christmas, if you guys saw, I think it was like a Christmas, what was it called? Like making Christmas bags or baskets from the dollar store. I decorated this entire thing. I had lights, I had garland, I had candelabras. I'm just not in the mood, friends. So this is all this table's getting. It gets this thing that looks tacky in the daytime, but beautiful at night. I love the way it looks. And then this is something else I got from Pier 1 after Christmas. I don't know. I think it was like $3. And before Christmas, it was like $30. I love this thing. It doesn't light up or anything, but I told you guys I'm a glitter addict. And it is glitter-tastic, and I love it. All right, friends, let me know, how many trees do you have in your house? First, I always ask you guys a million questions. Do you prefer real trees or fake trees? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll probably put a pinned comment asking you that, because I just thought everybody in the world loved real Christmas trees, and apparently you all are cuckoo and you don't like them. I'm just kidding, I'm not. Why am I the only one? I didn't realize a lot of people don't like real trees. You guys say it's a hassle. Okay, whatever. Let me know what you thought of the decorations. It doesn't really matter anyways. I'm getting rid of most of them except for that tree I told you right there, and probably those boxes. I don't know. I'm still 50-50 about the boxes. Let me know your thoughts down below. Quickly wanted to show you guys some stuff that was sent to me. Full disclosure, I didn't pay for any of these things. They were sent to me for free, but this is not sponsored. I'm not required to tell you guys I love this stuff, okay? But this one I do like because I've tried it. You guys know I'm a big fan of Fresh. I just showed you their oil. What was it, like sea berry oil? We just talked about that. So this is their Sweet Fairy Tale gift set. Gift sets are all the rage right now. Let me know if you'd want to see a video on gift sets. Sephora's currently having a sale, so maybe this is a good time for us to do like a video on gift sets. But in this one, you get the sugar lip polish, the hydrating lip balm, sugar lip treatment with SPF. So you get how many lip treatments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lip treatments, a hydrating lip balm, and a lip polish for 62 bucks. That ain't bad. I always say this, you guys, you can buy these and split them up and make them as stocking stuffers. Or if you know someone who loves all of these, you can give it to someone. I really like the honey and the caramel. Oh my God, you guys know I'm a huge fan of lip balms. I told you guys, I just got my lips done for the first time. Since then, my lips have not been dry at all. I don't know what's going on. It's amazing, but I'm a huge fan of lip balms because if my lips go back to what they used to be, my entire life I've had chronically dry lips, and I really like their lip balm. So I'll leave a link to that down below. I know I keep telling you guys this clearance video is coming. I am going to do a clearance detailed review on all the products I've tried from their brand. It's coming probably January 2020 because that's when we're going to do a lot of one brand reviews. But this is their Santal treatment oil. This couldn't have come at a better time because I currently have dry skin. I always tell you guys though, for skincare, I have to use it for at least a month. And with oils, I could probably get away with like a week or two. So I'll update you guys in a week or two, but this is specifically for dry skin. I've told you guys since my chemical peels, my skin has been a lot drier than it used to be. So this is to soothe and comfort dry skin prone to redness and discomfort. I don't turn red, but I do get discomfort. And it's immediately absorbed into the skin. It has santal and lavender to help calm and soothe, and cardamom oils to stimulate and increase skin resistance. And it has hazelnut oil to nourish, soften, and leave skin supple. So I will keep you posted on that. Let me know in the comments down below, real trees, fake trees. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this a thumbs up. You can check out my most recent video right here.